So this device puts music in your head, wire-free. And I'm not talking about the newest AirPods. When I mean wire-free, I mean headphones-free. I probably should have just said headphones-free from the beginning, but whatever. Imagine this. You can play games, watch movies, listen to loud sounds, all without disturbing the people around you. This new device, it's very futuristic, is called sound beaming. It comes from Novato Systems, a company from Israel. But here's the real question. How does a sound beamer do it? How does it send sound straight to your ears? Well, this device uses a sensor that can see in 3D. The sensor finds the location of your ears and then sends the sound straight to them. Sound is an energy that travels in waves, which are invisible. The sound beamer uses ultrasonic sound waves so high that they can create a sound pocket around each of the user's ears. Moreover, you can still move around and still hear it. The device knows where you are. That's kind of creepy. You don't need to disturb others, and others won't disturb you.